Hey buddy, hope you're doing well. When we left last time, I talked to you about some bar chords, and this is real important to get bar chords. And the two hardest ones you're going to play, the hardest one will be the B chord, but I'm going to show you an easier way to play it, and then the F chord. And the reason why these chords, as I showed you, are so cool is because you can go F, G, A, B, and you don't have to ever change your finger positions on the strings. You just come up the neck. And same thing with a B, B, C, D, E. So doesn't that sound the same? E. This is a peaceful, easy E, E, and it just sounds just has a little more rich tone, but it's when you go up the neck. So let's go with F. And the reason why F is so important, not only does it travel up the neck without changing fingers, is that at the start, I think I told you that the most song progressions have a 1-4-5 progression in them. So any song that is written in the key of C will have a go 1-4-5. C, D, E, F is the fourth, and G is the fifth. So a song written in the key of C will have a C, an F, and a G in it. And so let's do an F the easy way just so you get there. Okay, so you have to fret the first two. On the first fret, you use your pointer on the E and the B string. Okay, you got it? Okay. And then you'd go, and then on the on the G string, you go to the A note. And so the easiest way to do the F is you just do those three. So just try it with those three. And all you need is three notes to make a chord. And you can just, see, so there's F, G, A, B. Now, you can play that like that, and that's the way I would recommend you start it, but it is pretty shallow because it's only three strings. So the way you make it the way you make it more full is just take your ring finger and put it down on the F, because there's an F, there's an F. See, it's a unison, and then you can do. Okay, so there's the second way to play the F, a little harder. Third way to play the F would be take off your ring finger, put down your pinky where the ring finger was, and then put your ring finger on the C note. You see, and you see how we're doing it? We're getting more full. Now, to do it properly, you still need another F in there. And the way you get the other F is you have to take your thumb and you curl it around and you grab the E string on the F note. See? And then you have three Fs. That's why it sounds so cool. Those are three F notes. And you can go all the way up the neck. Now, that's one way to play it. The other way to play it, which I think might be harder for you, but I play it both ways, is you don't move your middle, your index, ring, and pinky finger. You keep them like that. And so just imagine you know how to play an E chord. So it's an E chord. You come up one fret, and then you fret everything with the pointer finger. So anyways, I kind of went from simple to hard. So that's the F chord. The B chord is going to be the hardest chord you're going to learn for quite a while, but I'm going to show you an easier way to play the B chord, just like the F chord, where you start off just using three strings and then we go up from there. So the B chord, and the reason I didn't show you Peaceful Easy Feeling in the original key it was written in. It was originally written in the key of E. So if you have E, F, G, A, B, B is the fifth of the key of E. And so that's why I gave it to you in D, because it didn't have a B chord in it. And the B chord is the hardest you're going to learn for a while. But to make it easy, the B chord, just take your pointer finger, put it on the F note on the E string, and then take your pinky, put it on the, what would that be? That's, oh yeah, that's the D on the B string, and then take your ring finger and put it on the A sharp note on the G string. And that's a B, because all you need is 3 notes to make a B. See? There's a C. Here's a C that you know. Same thing. Here's a D. Same thing. E and an E. So you see, that's why it's cool, because you can play with harmonics. So that is the easiest way to play the B. The next way to play the B is, I know you know how to do an A chord, but I think you use your middle fingers to do the A chord. Try to do an A chord with your index, your ring, and your pinky all on the same fret. And then you just... And then just like we did on the F chord, you fret everything with your pointer finger, and that is actually the B flat. You got to come up 1 to get the B. Here's the C. See? See? Sounds the same. And that's the way I started it, because it's kind of cool, because if you want to go from an A to a B, you can go, and you can slide. Okay, so that's another way to play the B. The hardest thing to play the B is, just imagine you're doing the A, but instead of doing 3 fingers on this fret, you're doing 1 finger, which is your ring finger, and you're doing the middle. You're doing the E, you're doing the A, and you're doing the a B sharp or a D flat. And the hard thing is, what you have to do is, it's so easy to just put it and do the 4, but you got to have your finger just right where it frets the 3 strings, but it leaves the E string open. And then the way you get to B is, you just come up 1 fret, that's the B flat, and then you gotta, and it is a hard-ass chord, Rich, it is a hard-ass chord to learn. It's gonna take you a while, because look at this finger, look at the joint you gotta get there. Might have to have an operation for that. Anyways, I hope that helps. I'll talk to you soon, and keep on strumming, buddy. And I'm going to Calgary on Monday and back in a week, and then here for a month, and look forward to seeing you and Maria and going for dinner. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.